Grilled eggplant with chimichurri sauce. Ingredients for 1 person. 1/2 eggplant, sliced into 1/2 inch circles. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice. 2 tablespoons parsley, chopped. 2 tablespoons chopped fresh oregano. 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. How to prepare. Preheat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. In a large bowl, mix together olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, parsley, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. Place the eggplant slices onto the preheated grill or grill pan. Grill each side of the eggplant for 4 to 5 minutes, until the slices are cooked through and lightly charred. Remove the eggplant slices from the grill and top with the chimichurri sauce.